but somehow you're not connected. You know there's something wrong, but you don't know what it's all about. Just reach out for us, 'cause surely we will help you make it through. All the possibilities, we will present it all to you. If it's broken, we will fix it. Here at Cell Plus, we will fix it. Here at Cell Plus, we will fix it. Here at Cell Plus, we will fix it. Here at Cell Plus.
Cell Plus. If it's broken, let's fix it.